Hey, David, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I think what you're trying to get at here is you're just using some different verbiage. What I think that you're trying to get at here is that this page here, or one of these pages here, is not showing up as the one you want it to, right? So typically what happens is if you have any copies of any pages or funnel steps that you may have archived or that you have in another funnel, what dictates where this URL lands is here. This is your page path, okay? So the way you want to make sure that these are identical or not identical, they have to be unique in every single step for each step and every funnel, all right? That way there is no other funnel step in any part of your account or even the platform itself that has the same page path, okay? So how you resolve that is here, okay? So this is a very generic page path. So you can imagine how many people globally out of our 100,000 users that likely have a page path that looks like this, okay? And then if you have one like that in your account somewhere else, then obviously that's going to cause an issue, okay? Now this right here, what we want you to do is we always recommend to just update this to any alphanumeric combination that you want. You can put anything here as long as it is unique to your funnel and it's unique to this step itself, okay? Now there's this section here, all right? You're going to change that and update page, okay? Okay, so there's two sections. All right, so the one I just showed you here in this cogwheel, all right? Now in this cogwheel as well, all right? This goes for every single step. All right, so here is the second setup here. So you see here, I don't know if you made, okay, so it looks like you probably, yeah, so you probably did this here. Okay, so just make sure, hold on, I was just trying to read what you have here. All right, so it's good that they're already different, okay? So it looks like you just need to come in and update this one here, okay? Update that. All right, it does not have to be identical, all right, to this one, okay? It's good that they're not. It just furthers the your ability or the page's ability to stay unique, right? Okay, so go ahead and so you can keep this one like this if you want, as long as this is not identical to anything else, anywhere else in your funnel, anywhere else in your account, okay? If so, you'll need to update this and change that, okay? And then update funnel. Okay, so I hope that clears up any of your pages redirecting, like the issue you're having, because that's what it sounds like. Okay, so just make sure whenever you have a funnel, a copy of a funnel or a copy of any pages, if you've cloned any pages or anything like that, just make sure you go ahead and update both page paths, okay? So this one here, and then this one here, all right? Because these are what dictate where each step, basically your URL, as it goes through each step, that page path is what dictates where that URL is going, right? So each step, right? So you'll see this page path shift, right? You can see it right here. All right, and so I know I can go here and I can see your thank you and then your upper page path here. All right, so either you generated some of these digits and then the system generated the rest. So just so you know that the system will generate digits, alphanumeric characters in an attempt to make the pages unique as well, okay? Just so you know. All right, so this is where you're going to change those. All right, I hope that helps. I think that answers your question. Just go ahead and update your page paths, and that should solve your issue if I understand you correctly. All right, thank you.